Let's start. I'm measuring the base of the router. This give me a distance what I would like to making for the base. Now I'm just take a quick measuring. I'm cutting down the base. I'm using 24-inch long. And now I'm cutting a front and a back to the slider. This give me a stopper. I'm using a 1x2. Now just nailing up. I'm using a 23 gauge nailer. No glue because this is just temporary. Maybe I'm update. I'm cutting down the sides. A little bit tight. I'm using the same method, just nail it up at the bottom and the side. Make sure it's not moving. Now I am just extra nailing. Let's try it. It's nice. Now I'm just installing a 90-degree brace. This is actually the slider. It's held, not moving on a finished product. I'm just use a 3/4-inch screw. As you guys see, this help to stabilize my jig. It's very simple. It's ready, nice and snug, ready to make shaker style kitchen door. Thank you for watching.